In this video I'm going to show you how to use the interactivity on heat of solution. So first thing you need to do is open the link that's on page 8 of your OneNote. It will take you to this website. You may need to allow Flash, so make sure that you allow Flash for it to work. And then you'll get to this screen over here. Now if you follow the instructions in your OneNote, what I've asked you to do is to place 100 milliliters of water in the beaker. So you can do that by moving the slider. Then I've asked you to change the mass of the salt to 5 grams. Again, you can do that by moving the slider. And then you've got a list of salts to select from. So the first one that I've asked you to select is sodium hydroxide. So select that salt and then start the animation. And you'll see that it'll draw a graph. And what you're looking for is the maximum or the minimum, depending on which salt you use, temperature raise. So in this case here, it's an exothermic process. So what we're looking for is a maximum temperature that is raised, and it'll actually give you the temperatures there. And that's what you're going to use for your calculations.